What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today's something a little bit different. Kimberly and I are rarely at home, so today we figured we'd tackle some yard work, something we do maybe once every 3 or 4 years. And living on a couple acres, it gets pretty bad out here. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. Hopefully later today we'll get a bunch done. We'll be able to get out to the river and catch some fish. But this morning we're going to be doing some yard work, and like I said, there's a lot of it to be done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, share it with your friends and family. And yeah, if anybody wants to come help us, give us a call. We'll take the help. Thank you. Quick update. Thought it'd be cool to put a fire in this aluminum boat that we had sitting back here, this Jon boat. Little did I know that there was foam underneath the seats, and that all just caught fire. So we had to come in here and douse it out. But we got to put out. Fire's okay. So we're gonna have to figure out another way to dispose of all this stuff. Since we failed so miserably and lit the boat on fire, we made ourselves a little fire pit here. So hopefully tonight we can come back and burn a bunch of these bushes that we've raked up.
Yay! Oh, doubled up, Dad. So cute. There we go. Another giant. Okay. Oh, you're barely hooked. Okay, there you go. They want it stripped fast.
Yeah, I realize that.
Yeah. Strip it fast, Dad.
Say what?
They want it stripped fast.
Yeah.
Well, if you knew that, why didn't you share that information? Yeah. I told you, strip it fast. I just told you how to catch them. Well, that's okay, little guy. I know. I really don't have to set the hook that hard.
What?
I don't have to set the hook that hard.
No.
You know, there should be fish back here. It looks fishy. Oh, that was a nice little guy. There we go. There we go. Hee hee. Hee hee hee. He's not that small. Calm down. Okay, so they're over there. That's a bigger one. Whew, look at him. Ooh. There we go. Oh yeah, giant. I'm just slowly getting bigger. I'll get up to that 1 pound mark eventually. Woohoo, so cute. Did I catch them all? Did I Pokemon them? Oh! One more. You're wiggly.
Got them locked up in that hole, huh?
The smallest one, and you pulled the hardest. How about that? Well, I can see why. There you go. Bloom.